What's up, guys? Today we're gonna finally make a logo. We're going to combine the two skills that we learned from the past two videos, which is the text stretch video and the shape stretch video. As you can see, here is an example of the logo. This is how it's gonna look, and I just put the logo onto a mock-up so it looks a bit more professional. I hope you guys like it. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is work on the shape. So we're gonna go to the rectangle tool over here, click on it, draw a rectangle to whatever size you would like, and just draw this like that. There we go. Over here we have the foreground color and the background color. So we're going to just press this this arrow symbol here, click it to switch, and it's gonna make it black. I want to make sure that this is completely as dark as it can get. So what we're going to do is we're going to double click on the black and choose the completely dark color, which is over there. Click it, and there we go. So the next thing that we're going to do is stretch the rectangle. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the direct selection tool, and then we're going to click on the little square that says anchor. You click on it and you bring it down. Click on the bottom one, bring that one down as well. Sorry, bring it up. Then what we're going to do is, what I'm going to do for this one is just switch it around. Here we go. That was the way I intended it. Make it a bit smaller. Okay, cool. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to make the square tool. Sorry, we're gonna make a square that's more or less the same size. Make sure the square comes right. There we go. Then again, choose the direct selection tool, click on the anchors on the sides, holding shift, pull down. Same, holding shift but pull up. Here we go. Let's move this a bit closer to each other. Oops, sorry. Zoom in a bit. Move it like to there. Cool. Next, we're gonna make the roof. So what we're gonna do is click on the pen tool. Let's zoom in a bit so we're able to see. Click on when the line shows pink, it means it's in line with the shape. So click there. It must be in line with the shape, so we click there. Go right up, click there on the top. So we will be basically drawing a triangular shape. And do the same for the other side. Click there. Click on the top. Sorry, and click there, and click right there where it's pink. And then as soon as you want to close the shape when drawing when using the pen tool, you wait until it shows this little circle here that's under the pen. Once you see that, you know that the shape can be completed. Cool. The shape is complete. Click away. We go. Now next, what we're gonna do is we are just going to go to the little edges here, select the anchors, hold shift, and then move it just a bit more inner, and do the same with the side. Move it just a bit more inner, where the roof basically they almost touch each other, but they don't touch each other. Okay, cool. There's our roof. And while you're holding in shift, click on this part of the roof. Oops. That part of the roof, and then that part of the roof while holding in shift. Then to change the color, since it's red roof, we're going to double click on the black here and the foreground color, and then we're going to choose red. Let's just choose a very nice red. There we go. I'm choosing this red, and I'm saying okay. There we go. Red roof. Now we are going to work on the text. So what we're going to do is click on the text tool, click and drag so that the text box gets drawn. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of funny text there. Don't worry about it. Just press delete while it's selected. Cool, there's it gone. Now let's write the heading. The label, which is red roof. We need to make this text a bit more bigger. So let's say this must be like, we go to the font size. Let's make this 200. 200 still seems a bit too small for me, so let's make it 300 maybe. Oops, 3000. 300. There we go. And then for the purpose of the text, let me just make this capital. For the purpose of the text, let's choose a different font, and now I'm looking at the Gont Serif font. Click on that. Okay, that looks a bit more better for me. Let me delete this. Hold in caps lock or press caps lock. Type in red roof so that all of the text can be capitals. Maybe click on the text tool, select it, and then let's make this a bit more thicker. So I'm gonna choose bold. And there we go. Here's the font. Now let me change the font color in the foreground color to white. There we go. To get the text wrap, we are going to say type. We are going to say create outlines. Once we create the outlines, it turns the font into an object. Then we are going to go to effect, stylize. Not stylize. Effect, distort and transform, and free distort. Then what we're going to do, like in the previous videos, you click on these little knots here, click on that, holding shift and move it up, click on that, holding shift, and then move it down. Okay, let's zoom in a bit. Now if you want to make this, let's make this a bit more smaller. Make this a bit more centered, make it a bit more compact there. Here we go. Red roof. Now we are going to do the same thing but for the B. Let's type in capital B. Here we go. Let's go to type again, create outlines. Cool, put the B there, make it white. There we go. Let's stretch it so that the size is more or less the same, so that when we do go to effect, it won't be that much of a hassle to basically fit it into that space. Again, distort and transform. Free distort. Let's make this. Oh, remember to hold shift when you're dragging it down. Oh, remember to hold shift while you're dragging it up. And okay. So, red roof B. There you have it. Let's actually make this a bit more narrow. Bring it down a bit. Red roof B. Let's make this B a bit more compact. Move it a bit more upper. There we go. And that's it, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos.